Well, guys, Nkosi is going to be a dead post child, and I feel sorry for Shoki. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 14th to the 18th of March 2022 on Monday. Mampo clashes with Zanele as she demands to see Nkosi. Faith finally is find out what Funani and Nikiwe discussed, and she sets up a meeting with Nikiwe. Nkosi is stand when Mampo claims she is pregnant on Tuesday. Nkosi demands answers from Mampo, but fears what the result might be. Faith confronts Nikiwe about her relationship with Funani. Ria is forced to stage an intervention with Molefe on Wednesday. Funani and Faith have a heated argument. Funani and Nikiwe resist the temptation. Mampo comes knocking for shelter with the intent on Thursday. Faith and Funani experience serious fallout within their relationship after a massive and unresolved fight, seemingly pushing him toward Nikiwe. Mampo take a paternity test. Molefe uses a workaround to reach Dorothy, but she tells her she never wants to speak to him again on Friday. Faith agony over Funani and Nikiwe's attraction reaches fever pitch. Nkosi is stand when the DNA test prove Mampo's baby is his. Molefe takes to drinking hard to get over Dorothy. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.